Okay, so we have a broken seatbelt issue. Look, see? It goes like that, and then it clicks in, but then it just pops out. So we bought green duct tape. It was a debate of green or tie-dye. And now we're going to fix it, and there will be wonderful amazingness. Okay, it begins. I don't even know what I'm filming. My life shall be saved by lime green duct tape. Heck yeah! It's good for everything. Oh, and Wicked CD, same color. Because lime green is amazing. Oh my gosh. Are we really doing this? Yep. Alright. Alright. That should work, right? Yeah. Yeah! Duct tape, the lifesaver.